Hello everyone. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step installation of the 358 anti-climb fence. To begin, let's gather all the necessary components, including the 358 fence panel, fence posts, post caps, clips, bolts, and nuts. Note that the fence posts come with pre-drilled holes for easy fastening. The anti-climb fence panel typically features a 3-inch by 0.5-inch hole opening size, which is 12.7 mm by 76.2 mm and 4 mm wire diameter. You can obtain all the required accessories from Shengsen when placing your fence order. Now, let's proceed with the installation. We'll demonstrate a dig-in installation method. First, dig a hole 50 centimeters deep and place the fence post in it. Don't forget to add the post cap, which protects the post from rain. Next, attach the anti-climb fence panel to the post using bolts and nuts, starting from the top and working your way down. Repeat this process for each post and anti-climb fence installation. Now that you're familiar with the installation process of our 358 anti-climb fence, if you have any queries or need assistance with wire mesh or fence-related matters, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.